Life Gesture Sketch by Alexander Rishkin. Let's arrange a standing pose with one knee on the chair and the hand on the hip. In this video lesson, I will show you how to make a fast life gesture sketch of a standing figure. When you have sufficient drawing skills and have a good feeling for the paper size, you can do gesture sketching by judging proportions by eye, without measuring proportions and sizes with a pencil, and without making corrections with an eraser. I know that the model's head fits about 8 times into the figure's height, and I do a sketch in full strength from the very first strokes. Likeness of a portrait is optional in such sketches. You may have another creative task. For example, choosing and studying a pose for a future composition. There are many styles of sketching. None of these styles can be considered the only right way of fast drawing by an artist. In fact, there is no right or wrong way of gesture drawing. What works for one artist might not work for another. This is a matter of personal preference, habits, and education. Do not worry if some proportions are slightly off, and do not waste precious time erasing and redrawing when you only have a few minutes per pose. I know that the width of the shoulders in a male figure is about 3 times the width of the head. I apply this knowledge automatically in my sketch. What you see in this sketch are just a few outlines. However, every line is done not just because I see it that way, but because I know what creates its shape. For example, the outline of the leg is drawn as you see it because I know how it is shaped by the quadriceps, how the construction of the knee joint influences its shape, how the calf muscle plays its role in the volumes of the leg. I also constantly compare proportions of different parts of the body to each other. For example, when drawing a knee, I look at the neck and compare its width to the knee, both on the model and in my drawing.